like a tourist state. They have a lot of stuff that you can enjoy in the states.
You are on to Grace Adelego TV.
Church for crossover night. Yeah, my people. The boy is sleepy. Arizona church. Woo. The church. The beautiful church. Yeah. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Wow, it's just another New Year. It's all season. Me and my boy. We're working the New Year together in Arizona. We're live in church now. This is 9:47 p.m.
Yeah.
Kind of a bit cold.
And everybody's crossing over already in most countries in Nigeria. They're already in New Year 2023, and we are still in 2022. Amazing.
In Manchester now, they're about to cross. They have 13 more minutes.
You know, I'm sure 13 more minutes to cross over. God is wonderful. So we are using this opportunity to wish you guys a prosperous new year. Whatever you desire of the Lord shall be granted unto you in Jesus' name. My face is so oily, like I don't know why, and I have pimples. I think it's the stress. I look different, looking different. So we enjoy the crossover, guys. So see you later. Maybe when we're worshiping God. Oh, New Year. Okay, guys. Bye for now. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised.
You
are
for the goodness of God over you and your family.
And Omega. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. We give you all the glory. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised.
Blessed be the name
Of the Lord, you is worthy to be praised and adored. So we lift up holy hands in one accord, singing, blessed be thy name. Oh, blessed be thy name. Blessed be the name of the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Blessed be. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. today is another day in Arizona. We are still enjoying the moment in Arizona. This is my little baby, and the boy at the back, the mini at the back, my husband. Yeah, this is this is John. So let me just show you around Arizona. This is like a tourist state. They have a lot of stuff that you can enjoy in the states. So these are their roads. Their roads are very wide, so wide. Like their roads are very wide. So I'll just take you around the beach before we get to the nature park we are going to. So just around a little bit for a bit. Yeah, Dominion. These are the buildings. The one is saying hello to you guys. Let me see your face. Hello. And Dominion to hello at the back. So guys, let me show you around. They have beautiful houses, beautiful big houses, big. See, look at this beautiful flowers. So this is the name of the place we are coming from. Point 22. Yeah. So just showing you around, guys.
Now we're going to Signal View. I see more flowers.
I know.
Well, I see more flowers there.
Okay. So this is like a desert. This state is like a desert. You can see. Like they don't have snow over here in this particular state we are.
But in some places there are.
Yeah, in some places. But right in the parts where we are staying right now, they don't have snow. So I'm going to take you to an exciting place. I think we are going tomorrow. It's snow in that place. It's a world tourist place that most people come from all over the parts to visit the place. So let me just show you a bit more.
It's called the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, now I don't want to say the name before until we get there. I want to make sure that we get there before I say that.
It might be delayed. Who knows? Where are we going?
We're going to a nature park. So we are going to a nature park. Yeah, so where we're going to see dog and some other things. I will carry you guys along so that you guys can see. I'm just enjoying myself here in Arizona, guys. We'll be leaving on Friday. I know.
Thursday.
You want to say something?
Didn't you come on Thursday?
No, we're going on Friday. We're going at night. Making it sunny.
If you leave at midnight at Friday, you're leaving on Saturday.
Look at these trees. They also have a lot of trees in this state, just like New Hampshire that we are coming from. I'm not sure I've given you guys the tour around my state, New Hampshire. I'm going to do that when I get back. So they have a lot of beautiful palm trees, like fake palm trees, like you can see.
Those are
That's not fake. It's real one.
Okay, it's real, but it doesn't bring out fruits. That is what I mean by that. It doesn't bring out fruits. Like, you know, the original palm trees, they bring out fruits. So this one's
yeah, they're genetically modified.
So they don't bring out fruits.
You're driving it.
It's 45 now. Basically, here in Arizona, you just, if you're going too slow, people will be honking at you. So you have to.
And what's unlike my state? This morning when we came out from the house, I'm like, don't you guys use plate number? In this state, they just use a plate number at the back of the vehicle. Unlike our state, we use 2 plate numbers. So you can see they only have
that one.
They only have the plate number at the back of the car. So when we come out from this vehicle, I'll show you the front of the car. They don't use a 2 plate number in the, that's what makes it different from the state I'm coming from. We use 2 plate numbers. Views of this building, I don't know what that building is, but it's like okay, it's a factory. This building, this white building you see, it's a white it's a factory. So they have a lot of space. So this is like
that they're still working on.
Dominia, are you crying? So I don't want this video to be long. Let me pause for now. Then we catch up at the park. We're going to a nature park, so I will show you around the park we're going to. It's a beautiful park. My husband was there, but I wasn't there. So catch you at the park, guys. Yeah, the park. Woo. So guys, I want to show you what I was trying to say the other time about the car not having two plate number. This is a car right there, and those cars over there, you can see the front, they don't have plate number, so they only have it at the back. You can see that yellow vehicle there, it doesn't have a plate number. So we'll be going inside the park now. I will carry you guys along. Come with me. Don't skip my heart. If my heart is back, don't skip my heart, guys. And make sure you watch this video. It's going to be interesting because this is a nature park, so you see so many things in this park. Although I've not been here, they've told me a lot about the park, so let me just take you along with me. Yeah, and this is my big sister with Dominion. See that huge water there? It's a big water. So welcome. You can see, oh my god, it's sunny. So we are about entering the park right now, and see these plants. I think they fish here too, community fishing water. I saw something like that. So wow, see this water back. Oh, this is so beautiful. You can see this big water with some small ducks. Wow, I'm so scared of waters. So it's like blue. Let me show you guys. And you can see people across. Wow, he's so huge. So let's go. Dominion, Divine and my husband. We brought our winter to this place. See, Divine. We brought our winter, and these are my people here.
I want to go to the playground.
Playground is over there. Yeah, we're gonna go there. So this is the water I was trying to show you guys. See these ducks? They are so pretty. They are so beautiful. Like, hello ducks. Hello ducks. Wow. What is that? Small tortoise. See the duck, they are so beautiful. Like,
Ducks say quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Hello, ducks.
Hello ducks. You say hello ducks.
Hello, ducks.
Enjoy the nature with me, guys.
Wow. Hello, ducks.
Different colors. These ones are white and black. That one is brown.
Hello, ducks.
Hey, no. No. Yeah, on that tree. See that? The small one. It's just looking out.
They're making sounds.
You know, it's an artificial lake. This is artificial lake, so that's the pump water.
Oh, is it
So
artificial lake?
right? Yeah,
Oh.
it's an artificial
So this is a artificial lake that they pump water into this.
The desert is very hard to get water.
Yeah.
That's why they have like most engine that supplies this water. When it goes low. You know what?
This is an artificial lake that they pump water into. This place, they are so beautiful.
See another tortoise, right? Did you see another one?
Oh, see this tortoise. Oh, it's swimming. Yeah, and see this duck. Nature is just so beautiful to admire and just to watch. They are so pretty. See the tortoise there.
Go. Let's go.
You passed the water. The pond, no? The stream. Where they have the water?
We have the window over here.
Oh, okay, the other pond.
The video is sleeping. Wow. To another water. Is it a real river? This one is real. Oh, so how this water are just artificial water here? They are not real rivers. These are not real.
Man-made.
But there's like real,
So-
there's like real habitats.
They are.
There's real habitats like real fish, and then once you go deeper, you can sometimes see coyotes, see different.
I don't know if the rabbits are out right
Sometimes you
now.
can. No, the rabbit. I don't think the rabbits are out.
The rabbits
But like
are
there's
out.
squirrels.
So this is just a artificial water here. They are not real. Man-made flakes. Lake. Okay, man-made lake. So you can see them.
But there's no flowers out, so the bees and birds right now.
I think these are the things we can see here. Butterfly garden. What's this? What's it called?
Cucumber?
This is a cucumber.
That's not cucumber.
What's it called, John?
Cactus.
Eh?
A cactus.
A cactus.
Cactus.
Okay.
Cacti.
It has a kind of
Oh, there's a lot of needles.
needles on it. That's not good.
We have one in our backyard.
Is it a plant?
Yeah, it's just
See this beautiful place.
I would even fly.
that. A neighbor of ours, they had a wedding in this place. So we were like,
Oh, really?
See the view of this
Yeah, I think we
beautiful,
can-
beautiful place. They are just plants and surrounded with lake, artificial lake. So it's so huge. You can see it. Oh, really? No, I can't find it. Yeah.
Why is this crazy squirrel? Remember when Toby used to be afraid of squirrels?
This is really breezy. Cool eat. Yeah, so beautiful. Like I'm enjoying myself. No snow, no cold. It's sunny. It's really sunny.
Our local street. This is where we sit and drink.
Look
Water.
at this place. It's so local. Like
It's like you,
it feels so
you
local.
play the Ludo game.
Yeah. See the sheer. See the sheer. Like it's so local. Right in the United States. See? It's a local share. Here, I'm enjoying myself. This environment is so sweet, and see people there. It's so yeah, very relaxing. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
But it's currently off.
Wow. Something is swimming right there. See, over there. I don't know.
Somebody?
No, something is swimming right there. I can see the.
No, you're gonna scare away.
See the rabbits. Little rabbit.
Oh yeah, you see that? Divine!
Come and see ducks. So pretty. Yeah. Wow. They're giving their food. They're eating. They're giving them cereal.
They're so hungry.
Yeah, I know. Let's go. Let's go. You want to touch it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go. It's okay. Yeah. My daddy's calling you.
30.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. She doesn't want to leave. Say hello. Say hello. With fun at the back. Duckies. Hello, duckies. Hello, duckies. If I leave the road. Oh, no. Sorry about that. If I don't throw anything inside the water, please. Hello, duckies. Duckies. That sound is just so cute.
That one is struggle to get back. That is bigger than.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, ducky. How are you, ducky? You didn't give the ducky cereal.
Ducky's hungry.
Ducky is hungry.
So now it's beside now. Duck right there.
Mama, what chip?
No more
Yellow
chips.
chip. Yellow chip.
Huh?